Hey guys, today we have with us here the Zebronics Zeb wireless Bluetooth earphone with mic. Before opening the box, let's take a look at the box itself. The back and sides of the box show the specifications of the headphones. Some of the features include voice assistant, a neckband, dual pairing, media controls, the call function, a magnetic earpiece, a playback time of 11.5 hours, call alerts using vibrations, support for AAC files, splash proof, and a CSR chipset. Now let's open up the box. The packaging is pretty aesthetic. Upon opening the box, you are greeted with a blue box resembling that of a book. On opening the flap, you see the headphones on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you see a picture of the actor Hrithik Roshan with the phrase "Time to raise up the volume with Zebronics." Now let's get the headphones out. What we have here is the red variant. Under the white plastic layer that encompasses the headphones, you see a micro USB charging cable, the user manual, and an extra set of ear tips. Now coming back to the headphones themselves. These ear tips are magnetic, which keeps them together even when taken off. It's got a 10 mm speaker drivers which gives out a deep bass sound. The neckband is not that flexible since it seems like it's reinforced from the inside with some form of metal. It's got an inbuilt mic on the right side of the earphone. Alongside, you see the call-in button, the LED indicator, and the volume controls. Further behind, on opening the flap with the Thunderbolt logo, you see the micro USB charging output. On the left side of the earphone, at the back, you have the power switch. The playback time of these earphones seems decent, providing 11.5 hours at 50% volume. The charging time required for these headphones is 2 hours. You get a total talk time of 5.5 hours, while the standby time is 200 hours. These earphones also have a vibration alert feature, which helps avoid missing any calls even when the earphones are not plugged into your ears. These headphones are splash proof and provide dual pairing. They also provide support for AAC format file types. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Zebronics Zeb wireless Bluetooth earphone with mic. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.